For the third part of the animation of our icon, we are going to make a new composition. Right-click, New Composition, and we'll call it Logo Animation. This is where we're going to render our final project. Leave the values the same as the previous composition and accept. Go to Adjust, right-click, New Solid, and call it Background. Choose whatever color you like for the backgrounds. I'm going for this yellow. And I'm going to lock it. If you want to change the color, you can go to Layer, Solid Settings and pick whatever color you want. Now I'm going to drag my composition here. And we have the animation we created with the yellow background. Let's zoom in. We're going to add a text, so we write Go To. In paragraph, center the text and decrease the size to about 40 pixels. Then we'll center this here in composition. And adjust it to where you want it. Then Ctrl D to duplicate this. Now drag it down and change it to tutpat.com. I'll make the text a bit smaller, about 25 pixels. Actually, I'll make Go To a bit smaller as well, 30 pixels. Let's change the color of Tutpat to this light blue, so it looks like a link to the website. Okay, we also need to animate these texts. Press this button here to make the text bolder. We're going to import the cursor we made earlier in Illustrator. Right-click, Import, File, and double-click on the file for the cursor. And here is our cursor now inside our composition. Press S so we can adjust the scale. I think 20 is fine. So we're going to animate the Go To and Tutpat text. Go here to Effects and Presets and type in Type to the search bar. And here you see the typewriter effect. Click on Go To and we're going to place the animation around here on the second. Drag the effect and place it on top of Go To. Press U and see how these frames have been created at this point in the timeline. Press U and see how these frames have been created at this point in the timeline. Although it has made the animation too long, simply drag this point back to the 12th frame of the second. Now we'll do the same for the Tutpat text. start the animation around here and drag the effect onto touchpad. Again, press U and drag that last frame back to shorten the animation. Select all the frames and F9 to easy ease them. Before we preview it, let's go to the 4th second and press N to preview just the first 4 seconds. Remember that before rendering, you need to select the whole workspace, otherwise all that will be exported are these 4 seconds. Let's preview it to see if we need to make any changes. Let's watch it from the start. I'm just going to adjust the first keyframe to about here. OK, and go back to the beginning and press spacebar to have a look. I think that's better. Zoom out, adjust. So we have the animation of our text, but what we still need is to animate the cursor clicking on the text, after which the touchpad logo will appear and our clipboard will disappear. Remember, you should always keep saving your projects. You can press Ctrl S to do this quickly, and I recommend you do it constantly while you're working, just in case. So, in our next and final lesson, we are going to animate the cursor.